Before the desert learned my weight, I kept the furnace sealed in stone. No crown, no witness, no estate, just ancient pressure finding bone. Born where a rubble parent body held heat, primitive dust got discipline deep. Ordinary Chondrite, plain label on sheet. LLO iron, low metal, still heavy on beats. Petrologic 5-6 equilibrated frame. Thermal metamorphism, edited grain. Barred olivine rings blurred into the matrix. Porphyritic relics survived every facelift. For 31, olivine carried the code. F's 25 relocate. Pyroxene showed feldspar went fine, mostly under 50. Migrants in silence, yet the archive stayed gritty. Trilite formed pods like brass in a vault. Tetractinite locked nickel through assault. Then impact made punctuation S3 scars. Shock vein signed black through ancestral bars. Pressure wrote scripture where no ink could exist. Each crystal held court, every fracture a witness. Lean alloy, loud message, hard proof in the sentence. I made ordinary collapse under evidence. No refrain recycled, my strata keeps shifting. From mythic confinement to heliocentric drifting. A collision cut custody, launched me from home. Ejected on parole through a cold vacuum zone. Solar wind sanded the edge of my patience. Cosmic rays counted unnumbered rotations. Then in 2017, on the 12th night of July, a sharp blade streaked across the sky. Northeast to southwest, incandescent route. Ablation peeled layers while the fire spoke loud. A plasma sheath wrapped me, velocity taxed. Fusion crust vitrified, mat over cracks. Sonic booms rolled like drums over sand. Dark flight took over when brightness was banned. Gravity subpoenaed each fragment below. A strum field confession in borderland glow. Within half a day, fresh black stones were found. 10 kilograms entered the terrestrial count. Black line, pale core, thin shock vein calligraphy. Desert air met extraterrestrial mineralogy. Atmosphere tried to erase me with heat. I landed with receipts, now the burn marks speak. From fireball thunder to a lab-lit room. One brief blaze became a geological boom. A polished mount opened the chapters within. Optical light found the textures again. B-O-P-O-P-P, the chondrules remained. Were crystallized circles, but outlines sustained. One bar giant stretched nearly 5 millimeters. Old nebular rhythm beneath newer heaters. Feldspar reached 200 microns in grains. Metal and sulfide lay dispersed through the lanes. Comosite appeared like a rare ad-lib. Two tiny flecks were nickel phases. Live weathering 0W, surface still clean. Freshness preserved what the furnace had seen. Classification landed LL56, a transitional verdict with forensic kick. Not heaven's loose gravel, I'm chronology armed. Planetary autopsy delivered unharmed. Matter keeps memory when survival gets hard. Measure every scar, catalog every shard. I crossed thermal ages, impact, vacuum, flame. Then science gave precision to a desert-born name. Kheneg Ljouad, let the black ledger stand. Stellar history pressed in a palm-sized hand. I put gravity on trial, then outlived the fall.